Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan Creates here, bringing to you a brand new video. Do you guys see through my force? Happiness. Oh my gosh, it's currently 11:46 p.m. right now, and I am exhausted. So, the reason for this late voiceover is I am taking part of Inktober. I've told you guys this, I think, twice now, and I'm decided to do it digitally, and it's really hard. It's like so hard, but I have to remind myself that when I did Mermaid with watercolor, it was super hard, but it got easier with time, and I learned so much. I decided to use color pencils for Mermaid this year, and I love my watercolors. I keep saying that I love color pencils now. So I've challenged myself to do these challenges with medium I want to explore, but don't really have that much practice in. And at the end of it, I love it. So I'm hoping coming down to the end of this one, I feel the same way about digital art, because with most of my other medium like gouache and watercolor, I have to set up a lot of stuff. With color pencils, I just, color. With digital, I just have to pick up my pen and my tablet and burn my eyes for like hours on end, but it should be worth it. So, besides that whole rant, it's going good so far. Except that I was so busy doing the digital art that I forgot I had to do a video. Thank goodness I recorded the first drawing. But something is going cookie with my laptop. Ever since it updated, I didn't update it, Windows updated by itself, it has been giving me performance problems. So before I could have run Photoshop and OBS, OBS is the program I use to record my screen, and when I have those two working together, it seemed to like cancel out each other, and Photoshop was giving me so much problems. And it was just so frustrating. I'll be coloring or drawing on the program, and my computer would just freeze, and I'll have to restart it and do a crash. No, it won't crash, but it would just have the circle that keeps saying loading, that, and I was getting so mad. This is the first day of Inktober. No wait, Inktober didn't even start because I started the night before. I was like, oh, let me just try it out. Oh my gosh, it was so annoying. But I found a way. I know I'm sounding like I'm complaining, but things could be hard. But if you push through, it could get better. When you thought it could be worse. So it did get better. So I realized that first I took off OBS and tried to color it to see. It was the same problem, so I was realizing it's not OBS. And I looked up online, and everybody was having a problem with Windows latest update. Windows, make sure your updates are good before you put it out, okay? Especially people who aren't that tech savvy like myself, who the computer just automatically updates. And I realized that if I color in a small area or ink in a small area, it will be cool. It won't freeze and stick up like it was before, and I was able to complete the illustration without too much fuss, and that was a huge relief for me because I was ready to throw the ass outside. I was that frustrated, and I don't usually get frustrated that much. But pros about digital art: it doesn't take that much to set up. My desk is big enough to hold my XP pen tablet, and my pen, I have a nice little clip. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. And it helps glide easily on the surface. Right, so even with that, it's so easy to make mistakes with digital art. Digital art I don't know why I say digital art is no way easy. I thought it was easy when I used to see it on YouTube, and then I tried it and I was like, All yaps. This shit is hard. I don't know why I'm cursing so much, because maybe it's because it's late and I need to go to work in the morning, but yeah. And I used to give up on I give up on digital art a lot, because one thing I like about traditional art is texture. The texture, the pencils give, or the ink give, or the watercolor, color pencils. I love all those textures. With digital art, I get something like it's just smooth. Everything is just smooth. I try different brushes to make it all, textured, but it just seems wrong. And I realized that I just haven't found the perfect way to do it yet. That's just on me. I need to practice more, try out so much different techniques to get like a textured something. I just need texture. Give me all the texture. So right now I'm looking up YouTube videos with how to add textures to your digital illustration. I've found some good ideas. So the first two ones that I've done so far, yeah, ain't got no texture that much, but maybe the rest will as I experiment. Yeah, so far I'm really optimistic. The hardest part was doing the first one, because that's the start. The beginning, you'll always overstress, you'll always overthink, and I just went into it, and I still did something wrong with the field illustration. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen Moonlight by now. I did her in full color, and as I was coloring her, I was like, something seems off. Why does this seem wrong? She looks cute. I love her outfit. I love her face, her hair. Ugh, so cute. I was just like, something seems wrong. And I was going through Instagram, because apparently I'm addicted. And Tatiana Vote art. I just like seeing her name. It's so cute. Posted a piece of hers, an Inktober piece, and I realized. And she did hers digitally as well, but in black and white. And I realized that is what was missing with mine. Moonlight is fully colored. She needs to be black and white, because even though I don't have to do it, I want to do it. I'm going to put like limited colors in, because Moonlight hair always has to be purple. So the first illustration I'm going to keep colored, but the rest is going to be black and white or black purple, because there's so much different blackness. Black purple, black pink, all those kind of things. So I'm not going to bore you guys with my voice for the rest of the video, so you guys just enjoy the music. Oh. Okay, that's not the song I'm going to use. And enjoy the illustration. So I'll see you at the end. Bye-bye. Yeah. It's the final countdown. Okay, lovely. So this is the final part of it. Moonlight's drawing. I hope you enjoyed the ride and the music. And yeah, I really like how cute she is, but I wish I did her in black and white. But we'll see how the rest of we'll see how the rest of the month goes. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if this voiceover isn't that good. I'm so tired. And I'll see you guys later, and I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching my video, especially my patrons. You know yourself, Carla Finlow, YK, and Princess Auntie. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.